After charging, putting the batteries in. Okay. See this compartment. Battery in. Make sure they click. Battery 2. Okay. Connectors. 1 and 2. Okay. Take this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna flip it around. So. Okay, this is your trim adjustment. Keep it leveled, and that's pretty much it. And be careful, it's not a toy, it's very dangerous, it can seriously hurt. Switch it off, and there we have the skeleton. When you want to put the body on, take these pins, take them out. Body shell like this. Line it up, and then take the first pin like this, and second pin like this, and you can put one more pin here. So now you're all set. That's it. When you have to take it off, 1, 2, 3, and take it off. And then you just unplug 1, unplug 2, done. Okay, part 2. Now when you need to charge your batteries with this charger. Okay, first of all, switch it on. Okay, now you see lipo balance 7.4. okay, keep it here, and you see this slot, plug this here, put it back, and you fit this like this. Okay, now you keep the start button pressed. Battery check. Okay, so now it has checked the batteries, and now you press the start button. So now the batteries are getting charged. Charge it for about half an hour or 45 minutes, and you have very good results. And before taking it off, putting the second battery, make sure you press the stop button. Okay, you take off this balance, take this off, and then when you have to attach the second battery, just attach it again like this, and like this. Lipo program, lipo 3 amperes, 7.4, and you keep the press button, keep the start button pressed. Battery check. Okay, confirm. start. So now it's going to charge it for about as long as you want, but don't charge it more than 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Easy peasy.